Good day, kids! Welcome to another day of fun and learning. I am Teacher Mikel, your digital teacher in English 2. Let us start our lesson for today by defining nouns. Nouns are naming words. These are names of persons, animals, places, things, and events. Like for example, for persons, it can be your mother, father, friends, or teachers. For animals, it can be your dog, cat, and horses. For places, it can be school, restaurant, or park. For things, it can be your pencil, bag, or dress. For events, it can be Christmas season, Halloween, and your birthday. Also, there are two types of nouns. These are the common and proper nouns. Common nouns are the common names of persons, animals, places, things, or events. Like for example, teacher, school, country, or day. As you can see, these nouns start with small letters. You will know more about common nouns as we go on with our lesson for today. Next is proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names of persons, animals, places, things, or events. As you can see, these proper nouns start with capital letters. Remember kids, that common nouns are general nouns, while proper nouns are specific nouns. To know more about the difference of common and proper nouns, we will have an activity. I will be showing common nouns and let's give their proper nouns. Are you ready, kids? The word teacher is a common noun, and its proper noun can be Teacher Mikel or any name of a teacher. Fast food restaurant is common noun, and its proper noun can be Jollibee or McDonald's. Day is a common noun, and its proper noun can be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or any day of the week. Toothpaste is a common noun, and its proper noun can be Colgate or Close Up. So again, kids, that means that common nouns are general nouns, while proper nouns are specific nouns. To know more about their difference, we will have another activity. I will be showing nouns on the screen, and you are going to tell me if they are common or proper nouns. Are you ready? Let's begin. Michael, is it a common or proper noun? Very good. It is a proper noun because it is a specific name of a person. Car, is it a common or proper noun? Brilliant. It is a common noun because it is a general word or a term. Rizal Park, is it a common or proper noun? Good job. It is a proper noun because it names a specific park found in the Philippines. Cell phone, is it a common or proper noun? Good job. It's a common noun because it does not name a brand of a cell phone. Now, I will be showing you more nouns and tell me whether they are common or proper nouns. Slippers. Very good. It is a common noun. House. Good job. It is a common noun. Samsung cell phone. Very good. It is a proper noun. Pen shop. Very good. It is a proper noun. Girl. Very good. It is a common noun. Lenovo laptop. Good job! It is a proper noun. And for our last activity, I will be showing here sentences. Each sentence has underlined words. What you are going to do is to tell me whether the underlined words are common or proper nouns. Marco is younger than his brother. Marco is the underlined word. Is it a common or proper noun? Very good. It is a proper noun because it names a specific name of a person. I like the food at Mang Inasal. Mang Inasal is the underlined noun. Is it a common or proper noun? Good job. It is a proper noun. My dad took us to the restaurant. The underlined word is restaurant. Is it a common or proper noun? Very good. It is a common noun. Last sentence. My shoes are comfortable to wear. Shoes is the underlined word. Is it a common or proper noun? Very good. It is a common noun. Remember, kids, that nouns are naming words. These are names of persons, places, animals, things, or events. Common nouns are common names of persons, animals, things, places, and events, while proper nouns are names of specific persons, places, animals, things, or events. Common nouns start with small letters, while proper nouns start with capital letters. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned something today. See you in our next video. I am Teacher Mikel. Handang isip, handa bukas.